Very good morning to one and all. Today's topic will be on pesticide spraying. This is the topic which I have picked under the unit Drone and IoT in Agriculture, which comes under the subject Automation Techniques in Agriculture Engineering. Before going into the session, we'll have a small recap of the last class. As we all know, what is user interface? What is a user interface? The interface is the one which acts as a basic display in a software where the data which have been stored by us could be edited and displayed as an image at the user interface. This interface will help us to analyze the data that are available, and also the data will be displayed in a web app design which is as shown in figure. And also the workflow involved in the user interface has been seen by us in the previous class. And why do we need a drone? What is the necessity of a drone in agriculture? And also the IoT applications in drone have been seen at the previous classes. Today we will see something about pesticide. Pesticide is the one which has been used for controlling the insects like mosquitoes, ticks, rats, which has a greater impact in agricultural fields. Whenever there is a pest which has been infested in a field, it results in reduction of crop yield, and also the crop yield that has been provided which has been infested by the pest will have a lower quality. In order to avoid those kinds of things, we have been using pesticides in a manner to control the infestation and diseases caused due to the pest that has been acting over the field. Usually, the pesticides have been sprayed on the field using a spray pesticide. Spray applications have been most commonly used form of pesticide application, especially in conventional agriculture. It is the one which has a mechanical sprayer. Hydraulic sprayers also consist of tank, a pump, and a lance or a single nozzle, which helps us to spray the pesticides that have been filled under the tank. This will help us to equally distribute the pesticide which has been filled by us to all the crops in the field so that the infestation could be avoided. Best insecticide according to the experts are as shown here. The first one is neem oil. As we all know, whenever there is a mosquito bite for us, our parents and grandparents will take a chance in applying neem oil to those kinds of infection caused by the mosquitoes. So neem oil is a very good natural pesticide that comes from neem tree seeds and fruits. Ortho Home Defense uses budget-friendly product for ortho indoors and outdoors. The garden insect spray, bonide pyrethin garden insect spray, are the most common insecticide nowadays used. The method in applying these kinds of spraying are dissolved in water and less commonly in an oil-based carrier, so that the mixture is then applied in a final mist to plants, animals, soils, or products which could be treated by us. This is the method involved in applying the pesticide at the field so that the crop quality yield could be increased. So these are the things which I have prepared for today's class. We'll see the next few things in the next thing, like types of spraying. The sprayers are all available in three kinds of types. The first one is high volume sprayer. High volume sprayer is usually used in the field where it has more than 400 liters of per hectare capacity, so that the very bigger field will always use high volume sprayer. The next type is low volume sprayer. This could be used for us in each and every places which has a lesser hectare, that is, it has a capacity of 5 liters to 400 liters of tank capacity, and most probably this low volume sprayer has been used under the roof gardening at each and every houses. The last one is ultra low volume sprayer. It is otherwise known as ULV sprayer. This has a capacity of less than 5 liters per hectares. This could be used for each and every house where they have a minimum number of crops or field only for the certain of them. The components involved in sprayers are as shown below. The first one is tank, agitators, and the next is pump and strainers. It must also have hoses, pressure regulators, pressure gauge, and nozzles for controlling the pressure of the pesticide spraying. The hoses and strainers help us to transport the pesticide from one place to the field so that it could increase the crop yield. So this is what I have prepared about pesticide spraying for today's class. See you at the next class. Thank you.